Hello my foodie friends, this is No Chef Ski, bringing you another episode of No Cooking with Ski, and today I'm going to be doing a delicious Eastern European dish called Traverse Galas. I think I got that right, but what it is a sausage with beans that is done Eastern European style. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get started, so I can go ahead and get into making this for you. As you can see behind, we've had a bit of weather come in for us. We've had southeaster, and if you take a look at my property that I'm looking at here, I'll kind of show it to you a little bit. I'm pretty much under the water. That goes with living on the water. So just wanted to show you that. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So this is going to be a very epic, delicious sausage with beans episode. So I hope that you enjoyed that episode. I'm trying to bring out a little different style of cooking, not just here in the States, but from around the world. This is a very traditional, the sausage and beans with the beans, and that is a very traditional Macedonian type of dish. So I hope you really enjoyed to know that. And as we're going to continue, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and check the like personalized, so you'll get all the updates with this. And if you feel like you like what you're seeing, go ahead and let me know in the comments involved in this. It's a little bit windy out here. We're still going through this little northeaster, about a week and a half now, and like I was showing you earlier, I'm pretty much underwater right now, but that goes with being on the water. So again, this is the Chef Ski with an epic, very delicious, very flavorful, so good sausage and beans recipe. So until we meet again, I wish you adieu and enjoy, and go ahead and get you another episode coming as soon as I can. Thank you. And go ahead and place the sausage. Oh, the smell is just driving me crazy. The aroma, the smells are just fantastic.